Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Offset Dax function in Power BI. If you've ever wanted an easy way to get previous month's data in your reports or calculate month-over-month changes without tangled formulas, you're going to love this. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to compare current month sales to the prior month, using Offset, making your business dashboards clearer and more insightful. Let's jump right in and start with our sample data. Imagine we've got a simple sales table with two columns, month and sales. The months go from January to May, and the sales numbers are just easy to help us focus on the logic. This kind of data setup is really common whether you're working with sales, profit, website visits, any number that changes with time. So even if your own data looks a little different, the steps I'll show work in just the same way. Now, what's our goal? We want to compare each month's sales to the previous month. This is what people often mean by month-over-month or MOM change. This comparison matters a lot in business because it shows you trends. Are your sales improving? Did that April dip need attention? Once you see MOM changes, spotting patterns or issues gets much easier. Here comes the DAX magic with the offset function. Until recently, if you wanted to fetch the previous row's value in DAX, you needed to use calculate and filter or things like earlier, which could get a bit confusing. But now, Offset makes this simple and readable. Let's set up the previous month's sales measure first. In Power BI, go to the Data pane, find your sales table, and right-click. It's that nice little shortcut we use a lot. Choose New Measure. Now you'll write the formula. I'll paste the sample formula in the video description below so you don't have to worry about typos. But what matters is understanding it. Offset -1 is telling Power BI to look one row back, just like flipping to the previous page in a notepad. The ORDERBY part, order by sales month, make sure months are sorted the right way from Jan to May. If your months aren't sorted, Offset might not peak at the row you expect, so always check that. Once you've got this previous month sales measure, let's go for the next step, calculating the month-over-month change. Again, right-click on your table, add a new measure, and use a formula that subtracts previous month sales from sales. If you've ever wondered how much did sales grow or shrink compared to last month, this is exactly what you need. You might be worried your measures aren't working, but don't stress. If you're getting blank or unexpected results for the first month, that's normal. There's just no previous month to compare with, so blanks are absolutely what we want to see. That means your logic is working. Now let's see how this looks in Power BI. You can create your table visually right inside Power BI using Enter Data. It's quick and lets you follow along. Once you have the table you want, just add a table visual to your report and drag in the fields: month, sales, previous month sales, and MOM change. Magically, Offset will fill in the previous sales for each month, and your new measure will calculate the change. What's beautiful about this is it's so much simpler than before. You don't need nested formulas or complicated logic. Offset does the heavy lifting, and your report stays tidy and easy to understand. And that's it. Your Power BI report now shows a running story of how your sales are changing month by month. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another DAX function you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.